episode of Fishing GrubbZ. We are in the car right now, Lila and I. She's mad at me because I just woke her up. We're going to pick up Meredith, so nice and early, so that I can go out ice fishing with Travis at his Bob house. Alright, we are here at County Stores. Grab us some shiners. This little stove. This is sweet. Yeah, this is doing it in style right here.
Oh yeah. Like yesterday it was like, dude, 30-mile-an-hour winds all day. Sustained, not gusting. So this was key.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's so awesome. This has been happening to me every time I go out. Not spooling, but no, I think he spit it. He spit it, or it's a tiny pickerel. Look at this little guy. This is this. This is the smallest fish I've caught in a little while. What do you think? That was a monster. All 5 traps set up. We're gonna go back to the Bob house and stay warm while it's snowing out here. Throw a jig down. Boom. All right, we got my second flag. All right.
Dude, this was the money flag last time. This trap, baby.
Travis says we're on the money flag right now.
Might be a pickerel though.
Yeah, it's probably a pickerel. Let's see anything here.
We both have 5 out, but that makes it.
Come on, something.
Nice. That's always good.
Feels like it has weight.
Oh boy. Jerry, what is it?
Well, the last time I pulled up a fish that felt like it had weight, it did not.
Oh.
Look at how much. Yeah, it was just in weeds.
Oh. There is weeds here, but we're just on the outside of the
Feel like it spit it.
Really?
Maybe. It took out a lot of line.
That or it's a pickerel. Or a perch. Huh?
Or a nice bass.
Bass on there, buddy.
Woo! What do you think, Jerry?
He approves.
Mwah! And get a kiss there? Nice. First bass of the day. Second bass of the day. Travis got one when I wasn't here.
Pictures.
It doesn't count if I didn't get it on film, though.
I got pictures.
Yeah, we're just going to check all the traps, make sure everything's alive and well on there. Fishing's definitely a lot slower on a big lake like this than on the smaller ponds that we've been hitting up, but there's much more of a chance of hooking up into something big. So I got another hour or so out here, and then I got to get going to work. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a fish on. This thing could have been on forever. Good thing I came and checked the traps here. Seems like it's got quite a bit of fight in it. Literally all of the line has been spooled out. Travis! Got something! Getting close, I think. Travis! Man, I think this is huge. The flag didn't go up. Something happened. We had no idea. Huh? You want to fight a little more? This is definitely a bass. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yahoo! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Look at that fish. How's that? Dude, so funny. You have no idea.
Oh shit.
So you got to get a picture of this. So your line was the flag never went up. The line was completely spooled out. I kept calling your name. You didn't hear me till like the end.
No way.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have to pack up and get my ass out of here. Hopefully we catch a fish out there. I mean, we caught 3 fish today, but 2 of them were pretty decent. The second one being the best fish I've had in a couple weeks. Since my monster, probably, I would expect. All right. So I gotta get going to work here. Man, I hate to leave this place after catching that big fish, but it's time to get going. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. So all of you know, this is my first season ice fishing. This is my first season actually fishing. I figured it would be cool to kind of, you know, put everything out there and show how I am learning and my progression throughout the next few years and hopefully a lifetime. So if any of you have any pointers of how I should be doing things, you know, different lures or rods and things I should be using, videos I should watch, just post in the comments and let me know, and hopefully we see you on the next episode of Fishing GrubbZ.